Never know violence till I go to my father, you see. My mother always have the love and the care, the gentleness, the time to spend. My Scarlet Cane and did have that. But when I go to my father now, he never have that to spend with me. So if I know everything people tell him take it and beat me, do me a whole heap of things. He's an ex-soldier, you know? So I get a whole lot of that anger there and frustration out and me understand. Worst memory. My father tie me up and beat me and soak me in salt and pepper, you know? Worst memory that. Up until today it grieve me, hear that? Yeah, but I just know say I'm a old man still, you see? Yeah, part of life, but we can't get that out of we, you know? Because for your father even beat a son and even soak him in salt and pepper, you know them things, they are cool things, you see? But through we grow and come know love, and we find love within ourselves. We're not even to have back them thought there, church them thought if you know some old man, it really do me them thing, you see? Yeah, but the worst thing that could have really happened to me in my life still, my old man beating me with electric wire, you know? Soaking me in salt and water, you see? Yeah, but a joy in them days are still a joy now, you see? The joy never stop coming on my soul, because I use the inner man, you know? That's why I can sing to her and tell her, say, yo, cause this is love, and it's songs of redemption from you. Redeem yourself, there is no condemnation, and it's love. And it heals my frustration. Sons of this nation sing these songs of redemption, and it's love. With songs of redemption from you. Redeem yourself, there is no condemnation, and it's love. And it heals my frustration. Sons of this nation sing these songs of redemption. Songs of redemption, well, it free my mind. When I was in darkness, then redemption shines. Songs of redemption, it make me feel fine. So never you